Hey there, welcome to our YouTube video, where we tackle a common problem that many users face when managing user roles and permissions in MongoDB Atlas. The issue at hand revolves around encountering errors like cmd_not_allowed while trying to grant roles to users or perform administrative actions such as dropDatabase. To address this problem, here's the solution. Commands like grantRolesToUser are not supported on MongoDB Atlas. Instead, user and roles should be managed through the Atlas UI, Atlas CLI, or Atlas Administration API. You can find more information on configuring database users in the MongoDB Atlas documentation. Now, in summary, when dealing with permission errors in MongoDB Atlas, keep in mind that certain commands are not supported. Utilize the Atlas UI or CLI for managing user roles and permissions effectively. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, managing permissions doesn't have to be a cmd_not_allowed situation. Happy role managing.